Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and today I'm going to give you the type of news that you really need to hear, because in time and when something happens from a technical perspective, you've only got a certain amount of days left when it comes to Zilliqa. And I want to bring this to you as quick as possible, because sometimes you just need someone to tell you this. Now, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but by the end of this video, I reckon you and I are going to decide to get a nice big bag of Zilliqa. Because I'll tell you right now, here's the spoiler. It's going to hit $1. And let's go over it and why. Now, for those of you that don't know Zilliqa, don't know what this is, don't know anything about it, jump on Zilliqa.com and check it out. It's really good. Really good. Now, the purpose of the videos is not to give you everything. These aren't 20-30 minute videos, going over a full big review of Zilliqa. I want to give you the news. You go away, do your own research and come up with your own ideas and concept. But let me show you this. This is Zilliqa versus BTC. We have not even scratched the surface yet about this. Look at this. Look how much more is left. 718% left just to hit what it hit once upon a time against Bitcoin. So plenty of room left in Zilliqa. Now, a lot of you may have been watching Zilliqa for the last couple of weeks, and it had a run to almost 20 cents, and then now it's just sort of been sitting around 18, 17 and a half cents for a while. But let me tell you, $1 is literally around the corner. So before we get to $1, you got to walk before you run, and I think obviously the first step will be 30 cents. So that's where we're going first. So the first step is 30 cents. So from where we are today, 30. Then from there, sorry guys. So I want to show you the kind of formations that are building at the moment, and it's looking really exciting. And so huge momentum is on its way, which will drive us to 30. And then from there, I want to show you this. And this is the kind of channel that we've sort of been in. It's the BTC versus Zil. And so this is the kind of channel that we're currently in when it comes to that. And so where we are today compared to where we're going. And from a technical perspective, we are literally days away from this thing getting out of control and having a huge explosion. Now, March wasn't necessarily an amazing month in the crypto world. I mean, there were some key performers out there that absolutely smashed it, but overall, not too much action, occurred in March. But as April, May, June, July have always been big months in the crypto world, I believe that we are set, ready to go, bags packed, loaded for Zilliqa to have a massive bull run. And we are literally days away from that starting to begin. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, make today a priority, or make this long weekend a priority over Easter to really research Zilliqa and make up your mind whether you're in or out. The other thing as well is the news that a legendary boxer NFT is coming to Zilliqa as well, which will be amazing. And obviously, Zilliqa being a third generation blockchain, it's going to be really exciting. How this all progresses and how this all goes. Now, back on the charts again. What can we expect and how does it look? So what we're going to do is we're probably going to rally all the way to 24, 23, 24. Drop back down to about 20, 19, and then continue our run to 26. That's probably going to be in April. So from an April perspective, we can see Zilliqa go from where it is today to 30 cents. That's approximately where I think Zilliqa will finish at the end of April. As we look towards the future looks bright as far as, April being 30, and then from there we start to push forward. If we look at the third wave for Zilliqa and what that looks like from where should we be looking at. So what's interesting is that as we look at this around July, middle of May, July, we're probably going to hit $1. Then we're going to retrace And from there, we're probably going to come back down to about 50, 60 cents. And then when the fourth wave hits, we're probably going to come back up to around $1.50, $1.60. Now, during the fifth wave, which will be late, like a year from now, we could see Zilliqa hit as high as $26 per token. And I want to bring you this one because it's all about long-term and short-term. So short-term, April, I think we're going to hit 30, 40 cents approximately. Then from there, around May, June, July, we're going to be hitting $1 and beyond. Retrace back to 50 cents and then recontinue our bull run. Now, if the third wave goes crazy, we could see Zilliqa hit $4.50 during its third wave, which would be huge. But I want to bring you all cases and all scenarios. So from my perspective, where we are, where we're going. So where we are today, I believe April, we're going to be in the 30 to 40 cents range. And then we're going to push for $1. And we're going to see $1 at around May, June, July approximately. From there, we are literally in uncharted territory around how crazy this whole bull run can go. $1 from a technical perspective, I believe is very possible and very doable in where we are today. So from where it is. Now, if this market gets out of hand and goes absolutely bonkers, then we could see a $5.70 Zilliqa. And I want to bring it to you because I want you to be ready and I want you to be equipped because a lot of you at 40 cents might cash out. Again, not financial advice, but I just want to tell you that minimum for me is $1. I will not be touching any of my Zilliqa coins until it hits $1. And in fact, literally seconds before starting to make this, I just bought another $8,000 worth of Zilliqa. Now, I don't normally share this type of information on the channel, but I just want to show you the confidence that it's given me. And I already had a big bag, but I've just added more to it. So don't sell short. Don't go, oh my God, it's gone to 40 cents. Boom, I'm out of here. This thing will hit $1. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Would love to know your comments below about what you think of Zilliqa. Thank you so much to every single one of you that joins in, watches these videos, is part of the Crypto Serpent family. I highly thank you all. It's been amazing to be here with you and share this and have your comments and input make this channel what it is today. Look forward to see you on the next one.